It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. Love and tradition of a grand design. Some people say it's even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls. 'Cause all I see is a tower